Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a card in Power BI. So we have discussed so many graphs in our previous video, but everything is shows detailed information about that particular data, whatever which we have. But this card provide you the total value. So for example, so I'm choosing this particular graph, stacked graph. Okay, I'm just selecting city wise sale. Then what happened? It will elaborating Chennai how much is sale, and when I'm having cursor, it will show. Otherwise, it will not show. The bar it will represent like where we are standing. So if you want to know the total number, so I can't able to find out here because there is no total in my data, right? So I can't able to find out total how much the sale come, not specifically for city wise. I want to know total. Then the easiest option is we can able to create a card. Okay, so for that we need to choose this option. Maybe I'll click on the empty space and then I'll click this card. So the card is created. Now if I choose only sales value, then it will show the total of numbers. Now it is in million. So I want to change the settings. So we have two settings here, call out value and category label. Category is label is nothing but sum of sales it's showing, right? So this is category labels. So if you don't want to show, then you can remove it. And call out value, it is in automatic. So if you don't want automatic, you can choose none, or if you want thousands or if you want to millions, then you can change like this. So you can give some headings, titles for in general settings that is possible, and background color changes, effects, everything we can able to do it here. This will shows the total sales. So now I'm going to add the title in general. So total sales. So if you want to make it center, font color, background color, that and all, we can do it here itself. And background color, center, that and all, it's possible. So now I can able to highlight like this. So this is the total numbers. Okay. So likewise, we can able to take cost as well. Just you can choose what column you want. So for example, instead of sales, I'm just selecting cost. Okay, just heading I already modified. That's why it is showing still total sales. Then I can go and change the heading for total cost. So now we can understand. So when you are having cards and graph, then you can able to understand easily. So this is a total value and this is a total cost, and little the profit will be there, and also that city wise contribution, how much they sold, that also we can able to easily find out. So this is a single row card. It means we can able to select only one value. So if I'm choosing multiple value, then it will not work out. So once I have selected sales, again I'm trying to connect one more column, it is not possible. I can't able to choose. Now I'm clicking this cast, but it is not selecting because in this card I can able to choose only one value. I can't able to choose multiple value. So if you want to show multiple values, then you can go for multi-row card. So for example, I'll create one multi-row card. So you can click multi-row card. Then you can choose multiple values, sales, city, and cost. So it will highlight everything. See here, everything in numbers. So Mumbai sale value, this is a sale value and this is a cost value. And Chennai, this is a sale value and this is a cost value. Likewise. So if you want to highlight only sales also, it's fine. So we can able to highlight it. Okay. And when it comes to settings, so there is an call out value. So call out value is represent the sale value, and category labels is represent the sum of sales. So sum of sales, it is reflecting in all the places. If you don't want, you can just make it off. And card settings, so the heading is shows in blue color, title. So if you want to make it changes, if you want to change it, and you can change here. And also, so we can use this bar is activated. So if you don't want, and you can just make it off. This slightly one bar is coming, right? It is segregating location wise. So if you don't want the segregation, then you can make it off. Okay. And here you can choose the color of that person accent bar as well. So if you want to increase, then if you want to do some color, that is possible. If you want to highlight it, or if you don't want, you can just make it off. Okay. If you don't, or reset the old one, that is also possible. Thanks for watching.